narcotic raid, wherein we received the reliable information from our sources that one person is coming near INS Hansa Gate with some contraband substance suspected to be a ganja. So accordingly, I formed a team of my officers and intelligence staff and led a trap near the INS Hansa Gate. So after some time, one person with the same description came there, and we conducted a raid, and we caught one person, namely Abbas Sheikh, aged about 25 years. And after taking the search, we found in his possession 150 grams ganja, which is suspected to be a drugs. So afterwards, we conducted a detailed panchanama at the spot, and we brought him at the police station and lodged a formal complaint on behalf of state and arrested him in the crime. We arrested him under NDPS Act with different sections, and our further investigation in this case is in progress to ascertain the exact source. The amount of the said ganja is about 30,000 rupees.
Thank you.
Thank you.